That is cool.
Welcome to my maintenance vlog, and I am starting off by getting my nails done. And if nobody is going to put you on, I will. So listen to me when I tell you the best decision I ever made was to start doing gel X. So much healthier for your nails, and my sets usually last me about a month, maybe a month and a week, which saves me time and money. Okay, also, God forbid I hit my hand and my nail breaks, it doesn't hurt. Like, you know how acrylic will literally rip your nail bed off? Yeah, no, gel X does not. And for this set, I had some summer inspiration. I was just, summer is here. So I wanted something that was like bright, neon, vacation. And that's why I went with like these super bright colors, And also too, I am not a minimalistic beige neutral girly. I tried. It's just not for me. I love color. Okay. I love it. I need to be like, pops of pink, green, blue. That is mine. And I have to be true to myself. Okay. Anyway, let me let you enjoy this satisfying nail video. So let's get into oral care. The toothpaste I use is all natural and does not contain fluoride. Also contains charcoal to help whiten up my smile. And this is important because I have braces, so I have to make sure I scrub a dub and keep my teeth on point, okay? Having bad breath is not a flex, all right? It is too hot for that. And I'm speaking on this because I used to work with two individuals that I almost passed out from holding my breath from being around them. On a side note though, I have learned to hold my breath for a long period of time, which has helped me when swimming. going to be making a rosemary hair rinse for my hair. It is supposed to be amazing. I remember my aunt used to make this when I was younger, but it's supposed to help for shine, hair growth, hair retention, thickness. So this is my first time doing it, so I think I'm gonna probably stick with it and see after 90 days. This is chlorophyll that I drink every day. It is a natural body deodorizer. And one of the most important things about growing your hair out is you want to make sure your scalp is clean, free of buildup, free of dead skin cells, old hair product. You want to make sure that you start off with a clean scalp, and that's going to help your hair grow. And that's why I had to do this scalp detox once a month. And you can see my hair has grown. Even though it's bleached, it is growing. Like, look at that. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, and it's growing. So yeah, I definitely do this once a month, and it has helped a lot, especially because I do have seborrheic dermatitis, and that helps with everything. It's just, you need to do this, okay? This is the most satisfying part for me. As I am rinsing out the mask and removing it from my scalp, it'll actually exfoliate my scalp, and it just leaves you with a clean, it just, I don't know how else to describe it. It just feels so good, okay? I was exfoliating my face. This mask I left on a little too long on my skin, so you'll notice my face is super red. Actually, it looks like sunburn, honestly, but it's just from the mask. And I'm just getting in there and I'm working that mask, removing it. It does take quite a few rinses, so be patient, but it is so worth it. If you're serious about growing your hair out longer, thicker, then yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Create the time and have the patience. And I'm just I'm just applying some clarifying shampoo, and I'm rinsing. It feels so good. So usually for my once a month wash day, I apply a protein treatment, which you're only supposed to do once a month anyway. So I do that, and then I apply a deep conditioner. Keep in mind, after I apply all of these, and you'll notice that I put my hair up, I'm leaving the shower and I'm gonna sit under a heated cap for an hour after each step. This wash day takes me all day. It does. But it is worth it because I have seen my hair grown so much. And having bleach in your hair, they always say, oh yeah, in order for your hair to grow, you need to remove the bleach. But my hair has grown with the bleach in. Even though I will tell you this is my last summer going blonde, I will be going back to my natural hair color. And that's a story time for another day, because child, these Orlando stylists are playing with me. But we're not going to talk about that. This is a positive vibe. It's going to be fun another time. But yeah, see how I put it up? I'm going to sit under a heated cap for an hour. And I have my swimsuit top on because apparently someone commented on my last video and let me know that I had a nip slip. And no, this is not OnlyFans, baby. Like, no, I'm not giving that away for free. So I definitely put on a swimsuit. But look how much longer my hair is. Like, this is crazy. And it looks so good. Ooh, almost drowned. Now I'm applying just a regular conditioner. And then I'm going to rinse it out. That is cold. Whew. Now jumping in the shower, I am using my little wash rag, and this exfoliates my skin. I'm trying to get all over my neck. Make sure it's nice and good underneath my arms too. I also bought this new soap I'm gonna try. It's for lightening underarms. So I'm also getting my back. Really important. You want to exfoliate your back because when you shower, backs don't really get a lot of love. So you want to make sure to remove all that, you know, build up and dead skin cells. Time to get these legs, and please don't mind my varicose veins. Getting these toes, you see how I'm separating them and getting in between? That is what you need to do to be squeaky clean, okay? Get in between the toes. Do not neglect the feet. Get all up in there. Get to the bottom. And now I'm applying my scrub. Myself a nice massage too. And I'm rinsing. Shave my legs. And this wash, I usually do all of these steps once a week. Just because one, the biggest compliment I love receiving is how soft my arms are. You know, and they're like, oh my gosh, how's your skin get so soft and smooth? This is how. And this last wash is just the I forgot the name of it, but I'm gonna link it down below. This is like a glycolic wash, which is gonna exfoliate another layer of my skin. And when I tell you there's no better feeling than laying in bed with freshly shaven legs, oh my gosh. Such a good feeling. You just feel so good. Do the same thing to my arms and my underarm. And yes, I do tan. I have not made it to the beach yet, and I'm tired of my skin looking so pale and clammy. So I'm going to give myself a bronze glow, and oh my gosh, it looks amazing. That's before and that's after. I mean, you can't really see it that good, but I'll show you. See how pale those legs look? That's not what we finna do. Look at the difference. Oh, yes. Yes. And now to take care of these feet. I'm actually going to do a peel on my foot, but I want to soften it up. So I'm going to put a mask and I'm going to do a peel probably this weekend coming up. Because for summer it's open toe shoes, honey. We want to make sure it's on point. And last but not least, my skincare. Listen, I've been going through it. Look at this. Look at this big mark I'm about to show you. See that? Don't worry, I'm gonna do a microdermabrasion on me this weekend. But yeah, you guys, that is it. And I really hope you enjoy watching. I will list all the details and products I've used in the description box below. And I will see you next time.